What is up, people? Welcome to another episode of Training with Influencer. And boy, we are in Mumbai and we got our boy Gaurav over here.
In today's episode, we are training with Gaurav Yadav. At one point, I thought this guy hacked Instagram because he was always in my feed. My guy is not just shredded, he looks really jacked in person too. There are a lot of questions which I have been wanting to ask him. Also, there is one main question too. If he is really natural or not. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Also, let me know in the comment box what questions you would like to ask me to the next content creator or an influencer.
I'm pretty sure you all know him because, bro, this guy, at one point, bro, like my Insta feed was filled with this guy. Like, bro, just
started again.
yeah.
I was not consistent.
Okay.
So I will start again. The consistency will be good because my device was very like
Okay.
I was using that phone for like 3 years.
3 years, that's
Yeah.
it.
So I shifted to camera. I took a camera now.
Okay.
So I start posting it now currently.
Yeah, I've seen, bro. Like, it's good. I've seen his content, and bro, trust me, there's a lot I wanted to ask him while I was scrolling through his content. Today, we will be covering all that. And
Half of the like people are from south side, bro.
okay, everyone's from South.
Yeah, everyone like every time I get a comment, it's like कि भाई south में आजा like. I was like bro soon. And even bro mentioning that Daniel is my biggest inspiration. Bro.
Inspiration, all that.
Because of him, I started making content.
Okay, bro. Danny, me being from Bangalore, Danny was like the
Danny's the OG, bro.
yeah, he's the real one. So even I watched him, and that's how I started doing all this.
Oh, when you started?
I started like a year back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We're going so good.
It's going decent. I wouldn't say it, but I like
Why
what
it's so
doing.
good
That's all
in 1
matters.
year, bro. I'm making content for like 3-4 years.
3-4 years. What?
So when I started lifting 4 years back, so after 1 year I started making content because my body was decent, so I just started posting through my friend.
Okay.
So that's where I found Danny, and Danny was making something crazy shit. Like
Yeah, he was.
the quality was max, everything was maxed out, bro.
Right.
And the fun fact is he never stopped making quality content. Like no matter the reach or anything, he just start post like he just post everything he
Right.
wants, and that's what inspires me.
Okay. So today, bro, we will be going through your back workout. Okay.
Back workouts.
I'll be asking questions regarding your workout, diet, and how you have been doing this, and a lot more.
Like what you do, like compound movements more or machine movements? Like,
I do machine more, sometimes compound.
you like fancy workout or just basic?
I okay. So here about me, deadlift, squat, I don't do. I keep it very safe.
I keep it like thoda sa fancy. Everyone will hate me, but fancy workouts like the contraction is more like once you
Okay.
get the sweet spot,
Okay.
it is very like beneficial for it.
So you were talking about abs.
Yeah.
That is something which I used to always think that abs are made in kitchen.
Like there was a myth, like every influencer says ki you need less body fat for having abs, but that's not the case. Like when my coach told me कि आपको bulking में भी abs होने चाहिए, like whenever आपके abs fade हो रहे हैं, you need to cut that time.
Correct.
तो abs is a muscle, you need to train it.
Correct.
तो जितना ज़्यादा आप train करोगे उतने ज़्यादा वो deep दिखेंगे muscles, and even obliques, like your whole core need to be very developed.
Yes. That takes some more time to get that maturity.
Yeah, but I used to play football.
Even I.
तो हाँ तो मेरा वो कोर पहले से था. कोर वाज लाइक मतलब मेरा बॉडी नहीं था, लाइक आई वाज लिटरली स्केलेटन बट माय एब्स वर वेरी डिफाइंड एट दैट टाइम. सो मेरे को कभी इतना मेहनत करना नहीं पड़ा, बट आई लाइक टू ट्रेन एब्स शोल्डर्स एंड बैक इज माय फेवरेट मसल टू डू.
So now today back.
Yeah, bro.
What are we starting with? How's your warm up like?
फर्स्ट वी लाइक मैं ओपन अप करना चाहता हूँ मतलब बैक को, सो आई जस्ट डू पुल अप्स. Yeah.
So we'll start with.
Yeah, pull up.
What is your trick about?
Pull up normal 20, and then later second set is थोड़ा सा tricky. First 5 rep you have to go normal speed, and then the next 5 rep will be like थोड़ा सा controlled. Like on the count of 20 you need to come down.
Okay.
So you have to hold very much. Like it will test your patience, but you need to do it. And the third set is pura holding.
Okay.
So like you go up, 20 सेकंड नीचे फिर फट से वापस। सो वैसे तुझे 10 रैप करना है थर्ड सेट में।
हमेशा वाइट रिपीट।
या वाइट। So chin up.
Chin up is going to be a very hard task.
Easy one.
That's good. More for me. Should I do more?
Yeah. 20 हो गया?
Not 20 is hard. 20 would be a hard thing, man. I think 12 is done.
Okay, sir, 15 complete हो. Last two. Last one. Easy one.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, there's 5 reps and then control.
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been training it for?
4 years.
4 years you have been
Yeah.
consistently or like?
No, not
The
consistent.
picture it doesn't look like you have been training for 4 years.
Yeah, seriously?
Way more.
No, my muscles are very less, bro. My weight is literally. This time I played, I was like 59.
Okay. You're like 59.
Yeah, 59 kgs. Now I gained like a lot, 65 this year after putting a coach.
After putting
Yeah. Shred Krishna. You know the Olympian Amit Agre recently.
I don't.
He was qualified for Olympia this year. Not this year, last year.
So how was your calories and everything like?
That's the main thing. I never counted calories before.
Okay.
So when I saw few videos about calories and all, so I was like, this time I need to get serious. So I just put a coach and I kept all on it. So he was like कि if you want a coach, अगर मुझे coach मेरे से coaching लगानी, so you need to trust me blindly.
I see.
अगर
What do you think? Like what helped during this years of training?
Mm-hmm.
What was the major improvement you did that changed your physique completely?
Shoulders, bro. You need to be obsessed by your shoulders. Like every beginner does this thing, कि they train legs with shoulders.
Correct.
So that's not how shoulders gonna grow. Because shoulders are very important, and they they give you structure, the X structure, X factor. So shoulders, you need to be obsessed with shoulders and legs.
Okay.
Like everyone neglect these two muscles,
Correct.
and they need to be obsessed. Then only it will grow.
Right.
But shoulder is very intense. If you see, some people just do shoulder press,
Correct.
but I never do shoulder press in the start. तो शोल्डर का स्टार्टिंग से आई वॉज ऑब्सेस्ड विद दिस रेयर डेल्ट थिंग. सो मैं जब भी स्टार्ट करता था मैं रेयर डेल्ट से चालू करता था एंड देन साइड लेटरल एंड आई टू डू 2-3 वेरिएशन ऑफ रेयर डेल्ट. सो दैट्स हाउ माय शोल्डर grew and it enhances your back also, bro.
Okay.
At some point.
So you're doing right now, do your warm-up set and I got to do 5 reps.
Yeah.
I did that.
Yeah. It's easy.
Good warm-up, bro. Good
Yeah.
warm-up. Good shit. For me, weekend is back, especially the thickness, I would say.
Bro, I'll tell you the first thing you told me कि you don't do deadlifts.
Right.
Deadlifts is the best thing for back. Like
Okay.
everyone, like it's everyone's POV that deadlifts are good. Some say deadlifts are best.
Okay.
But I personally think my back grew from deadlift.
Deadlift.
From when I started deadlift, my lower back became enhanced. Like my thickness went like skyrocketed from the deadlift and rows.
Okay.
So I give preference to deadlifts and T-bars.
T-bar row.
Yeah.
I love T-bar row. Yeah, I do T-bar rows, barbell rows, and a lot more like that.
No, but deadlift give you discipline, bro.
Discipline?
Yeah, because it mentally trains you. लाइक whenever you do it will मतलब अलग स्टेट में लेके जाता है. लाइक इट्स थोड़ा सा टाइप ऑफ ईगो कि यू नीड मतलब लास्ट टाइम तूने ये नहीं किया ना, मतलब अभी तूने 200 मारा.
Correct.
तो द नेक्स्ट बैक सेशन लाइक नेक्स्ट वीक यू आर ट्रेनिंग बैक एंड तेरा 190 गया, तू ईगो में रहेगा पूरे वीक कि भाई तेरे से उठा नहीं वो, तो वो मेंटली तुझे है ना मतलब स्ट्रेसफुल कर देगा. सो तू ऐसा ट्रेन करेगा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम तेरे से 2 टाइम उठा. सो इट ट्रेन्स यू एंड दैट्स बेसिकली ओवरलोड प्रोग्रेशन. तो ओवरलोड प्रोग्रेशन होगा तभी तो ये मसल ग्रो होगा. दैट्स द थिंग.
Okay, so next, what are we doing?
नेक्स्ट लैट पुल डाउन. Nice one, bro. Nice one. Control at the lowest. Yeah. Slower. When you pull it faster and hold it over here. Pull faster and hold it in bottom. Yeah. Pull. Nice one. Nice one, bro. Pull. One, two, nice one, bro. Hold. 5, yeah, bro. Give me 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Deep. Normal rep. Give me 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Pull. Normal. Give me 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now this is 5 second hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me 5 normal reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one just warm up, bro. ये अभी तेरे पूरे बैक को ये करेगा, टारगेट करेगा.
I tell you what, I have trained with quite at least 10 to 12 influencers by
Yeah.
now. I've even trained with Vedant, everyone.
Who है?
Vedant Chaudhary और यतार का छोटा भाई.
हाँ, not so bad का भाई.
So I've been training with so many, just so that I can learn
Yeah.
a lot of things.
Even I like to train with guys, bro.
So there's a lot to learn.
Exactly.
Everyone has one point to learn.
Like for me, from beginning, I never focused on that much because my metabolism was so high.
Okay.
So I just focused on like intensity.
Okay.
Like after heartbreak, how guys go. So I was just in gym, just fucking like I was 42. My weight was 42, and I used to just like जो normal professional bodybuilders करते हैं ना workout वो intensity से. मैं वो intensity से मतलब 42 kgs पे करता था. People was like तेरे को ज़्यादा workout किया तो मतलब muscle loss होगा. I didn't care about that, bro. मेरे को बस intensity चाहिए था cause
I understand, bro. Like coming from the football,
yeah,
we need that.
that boost. I know. Ego.
There. Yeah, it's not there. Like if you
Like once you're scoring, like you had the ball, you're a left winger and you are just going.
this one, I can definitely feel my entire.
Yeah, that's what I told you. This is
What's this criteria of yours like? One, I mean, starting 3 reps slow, and then next one.
it just mentally tortures you, bro. Like pushes you. Like you have a goal for that. मतलब अगर goal होगा तो वो complete होगा. Even if you are very mentally tired, तू 10 reps सोचा और फिर तू 8 reps भी किया. Because अगर तू पूरा dependent रहा कि भाई जितना तेरे पास energy है उतना करे, तो you'll just go by 6 reps. But if you put a goal, you can pass your limits. That's the thing.
How's your workout split in a day like in a week? I mean,
So मैं change करते रहता हूँ split मेरी.
ठीक है.
Like sometimes 2 muscles, sometimes 1 muscles. So recently मेरा कुछ था नहीं. So I was pretty fucked up because मेरे को है ना आइसिंग खेलना था this time मुंबई का. बट 15 days पहले ही वो फॉर्म फुल हो गए थे. सो मेरे मैनेजर ने कॉल किया था वेल करके. दे वर लाइक कि ब्रो वी हैव ओपनड इट फॉर यू. सो लेटर आई फाउंड आउट कि पहले प्राइम लेना रहता है उन लोगों का कुछ तो. देन यू नीड टू फिल द रजिस्ट्रेशन. सो मैंने प्राइम ही नहीं लिया था उसका. दे वर लाइक नाउ यू कांट प्ले. सो आई वाज प्रीटी फक्ड अप. सो मैं 2-3 दिन वर्कआउट भी नहीं किया था. उसके बाद आई वाज जस्ट ट्रेनिंग व्हाटएवर फील आई एम लैकिंग.
You have been on a prep is what.
या
So, split कैसे रहा आपका?
मेरा वो टाइम से स्प्लिट कैसा था. मंडे इट वाज आर्म्स, देन चेस्ट एंड बाइसेप, देन बैक एंड ट्राइसेप. लाइक आई यूजुअली डू इट उल्टा.
Okay.
बिकॉज व्हेन यू ट्रेन बैक वो बाइसेप एंगेज हो जाता. तो इफ यू ट्रेन ट्राइसेप ना तेरे को ज़्यादा ये आएगा कॉन्ट्रैक्शन.
Shoulder triceps, back. I mean chest, shoulder, biceps,
या
back, triceps.
नो वन नोज दैट. बट वो मुझे वो पम्प ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. व्हेन यू डू बाइसेप एंड यू डू ट्राइसेप ना क्रेजी.
Oh, bro, this is good. I never trained. I'll tell you what, but trust me.
Huh.
I've trained with so many people, but this
You need intensity.
genuinely good. So right now, how's your calorie?
I have no idea.
No idea. So
No idea
what's
about
the
calorie.
protein? I think
I used to account protein intake. Like वो तो कर लेता है कोई भी. तो मेरा protein intake around 170-180 जाता.
around 120.
Yeah.
Around 170 to 180. I take around 200 grams, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
अरे तेरा weight ज़्यादा है.
Yeah, my height, weight, that. But you are eating a lot, so you're.
Obviously. Like मेरे को अभी gain करना पड़ेगा ना. Like I have seen the competition, bro. So this will also focus your teres minor only, bro.
Tell us final.
Yeah. Nice one, bro. You know this. Crazy, bro. You don't need to.
No need to twist up.
Yeah. इतना छोड़ने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. Like you need to hold it. छोड़ा तो वो contraction चले जाता है. Yeah, pull. Hold. Nice one. ये देख ये part. Nice one. Pull. पूरा mind muscle connection कर रहा है. Hold. Squeeze it.
Okay, bro. Like while I'm doing this workout, you tell me what is that one tip you would like to give everyone who is just starting?
Just starting.
Yeah,
Just focus on diet, bro.
diet.
Yeah.
How
Like people just the mistake I did was I used to train like horses like anytime. Like मतलब 2-3 hours of workout and then I was eating nothing. So it won't give me results. It will उल्टा मतलब और weight कम कर देगा मेरा. Muscles तो आएंगे नहीं. Muscle loss होगा ऊपर से जो है वो भी loss होगा. तो I'd rather suggest focus on diet, like healthy diet and high protein diet, bro. That's you don't need to take creatine also if you don't have money. You just put that money into protein, like raw sources. That is very important. Like the thing I did, जो whey protein था, मेरे को तो sponsor था, but मेरे coach ने वो cut कर दिया था whey protein for 1 month. जो छोड़े था मेरा, उससे 1 month पहले से ही मेरा protein cut कर. I was totally on raw meat. तो इट वाज लाइक कि ब्रो मतलब प्रोटीन इतना इजी मतलब वे इतना इजी है प्रोटीन का वो भी कट कर देता. तो लेटर आई फाउंड आउट कि ब्रो मतलब जो रॉ ये है सोर्सेज है इट विल गिव यू लास्टिंग रिजल्ट्स. लाइक अगर तू छोड़ देगा थोड़े टाइम के लिए तो वो प्रिजर्व करके रखेगा तेरे मसल्स. वे प्रोटीन वोंट डू दैट. तो वो मुझे पता चला. मतलब मेरे को बहुत लोग बोले भी है बट आई नेवर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन ये जब तक मेरे कोच ने मुझे बोला.
how's your username? The fuck.
अरे actually it was my private ID, so it was the fuck. So I just अभी the fuck लिखूंगा तो वो थोड़ा सा appropriate हो जाएगा. तो फिर मैंने ना the fuck लिखा था. And फिर जो मेरा मेन अकाउंट था ना उसमें रील्स का ऑप्शन ही नहीं था और मुझे पोस्ट करना था. समझ कि मैं प्राइवेट से ही पोस्ट करता एंड मैं ऐसे ही पोस्ट करता गया. मेरा अकाउंट वो पब्लिक कर दिया प्राइवेट वाला एंड आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड पोस्टिंग. एंड वन डे मैं मेरे दोस्त के साथ एक रील कोलैब किया एंड इट ब्लू भाई. इट वाज लाइक इट वेंट 1 million in 1 day. So I was like कि इस पे ही पोस्ट करना. तो that gives some kind of motivation to post consistently.
Boys, I've learned a lot from this guy. I think until comparing to all the training with influencer episode I have done till date, this guy's workout I would rate it a good 10 on 10, bro. Trust me, like I was shocked genuinely. Like the person you are on Instagram, definitely you look like someone who's hardworking. But when I see in person, so you're hardworking into 3, not 2. That's mental. Like your workout. But trust me, I've never. There are few muscle groups which I have never felt before, and I've felt it today. It is.
How the pump though? Tell
Oh, bro, trust me, I've never. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. Like I think when you're seeing the entire clip, you will understand that how shocked and impressed I was, because I kept telling him, bro.
Yeah.
Like I was really impressed. I was really impressed.
People will get a lot of knowledge on this.
A lot actually. I told you, like, end of the day, I do this for me as well.
Exactly.
So there is
even I like to work out with people. Bro.
Genuinely, bro. Like you have a insane amount of knowledge, and I really hope you keep growing.
Yes, sir.
And you're competing soon, I guess.
Yeah, Goa.
Goa.
I guess.
Yeah, we'll never know. But this guy, trust me, in 2 years, I think he's going to be a beast, bro. So every training with influencer episode, I end with one last question. Okay. Gaurav,
Yeah.
are you really natty or not?
Before Gaurav tells you this, let me tell you that one natural supplement which will help you being a natural athlete. At this point, you know what it is. Creatine. It not just increases your strength, it increases your strength, speed, power. It all begins with one molecule called ATP. Every lift, every sprint, every rep, ATP is your body's raw power source. But it runs out fast. That's where creatine comes in. Cream supercharges your ATP recycling, so you recover faster between reps, push harder, go longer. Each scoop delivers 3 grams of pure creatine monohydrate. Make sure to use my code EdwinMB to get some additional discount in their website and also to support me. Now, without any further ado, let's ask Gaurav that one last question.
What do you think, bro?
Bro, I'll tell you what, from the workout you have done till now, it is enhanced, bro. Like, what is that?
But you took the pre-workout.
That's a recovery, bro. Like, how do you do that?
Our steroids are pre-workout, if you know.
Okay, okay. So how do you like manage your recovery with this such intense workout?
Protein intake. I just hit my protein intake, whatever the coach says.
Okay.
So before, मतलब पहले मेरे को होता था कि भाई recovery issues, like I was sore for. But even after being sore, मैं वो वर्कआउट मतलब वो मसल ग्रुप तोड़ देता था, लाइक वो इंटेंसिटी तक पहुंच ही जाता था. बट लेटर आई फाउंड आउट कि वो मसल लॉस भी होता है उसके वजह से. सो आई स्टार्टेड फोकसिंग ऑन लाइक रिकवरी. सो वन सप्लीमेंट आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट रिकवरी, नॉट 1, 2 एक्चुअली. फर्स्ट आई फाउंड आउट ग्लूटामाइन एंड सेकेंड इज एल-ल्यूसीन. मतलब एल-ल्यूसीन. तो ल्यूसीन, it doesn't taste that much good, but it is very effective though. Very effective. If you take 10 grams of leucine before sleep, it will give you great recovery. Like next day तेरा वो होगा ही नहीं, like नहीं sore होगा ही नहीं. Like बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम है, but my coach told me, so I'm just sharing it with your followers, bro.
It's
your
quite,
audience.
Bro, I am also learning. That's very okay. So are you really natural?
Yeah, I'm fully natural, bro.
100%.
Yeah.
Any plans to get enhanced?
If I get enhanced, I'll promote it. Like I'll be the next Trent Twins, bro.
Okay.
Like I don't care what people say, bro.
100%. I agree, bro.
Yeah, but
I think if we did care about what people really
yeah, it's our body, na.
stand here.
Yeah, I don't care, bro. Why and even why will people say that it's matlab too enhanced hai, what are you doing with your life? I don't care, bro. I'm getting money, that's it. And why will I lie, first of all, that I am being natural? मतलब मुझे क्या मिलेगा? I'm not competing anywhere like recently. And जो मैं shows compete किया हूँ, there are not tested. तो उधर मैं without मतलब वो steroid लेके गया तो भी no one cares. So मैं क्यों बोलूँ ना कि मैं natural हूँ वो show पे जाके when I'm winning it.
Makes sense.
But it's थोड़ा सा proud for me that I am going naturally and defeating those steroid guys, bro.
Okay, so that is all for this episode. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and thanks a lot. See you. Until next time, it is boys. Peace.